2010 Corolla Type S. Bank 1 sensor 2 will be the downstream right here. Okay, so you're gonna have a little clip right here holding this cable right here. You're gonna pull this rubber down here, then you're gonna come inside. You're gonna pull your carpet out. You're gonna pull this cover right here. After you flip the carpet, and your connector is gonna be coming down here, up here, and back here you're gonna unplug it. This is the O2 sensor. This is the part number. That's the O2 sensor right there. All right, so here we go up here. This is to keep the cable away from rubbing right here. Just like that. Right, now you come inside. Just connect it right here. I'll show you here, clip in. Like that. I'm gonna push the carpet back in. Right under. You get this, you stick it over here. Line it up and push in. There you go.